Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn the module 2 from our English grammar composition book. So everyone take out your grammar book and start to write now. So students, here we can see 5 sections are there: dictation, vocabulary, grammar, writing, picture reading. From these sections, we will learn about the sentence dictation, words related to nature, punctuation, make sentences, and picture 1 and picture 2. So let's we start. First, I will tell you the sentences and you have to write in your grammar textbook. Okay. So a little seed grew into a flower. This is the first sentence. Then the second sentence is he saw a red balloon floating in the sky. Then the third sentence is we will have a picnic under this cool and shady tree. Then the fourth sentence is the cat purrs and drink milk. And the fifth sentence is the strong lion caught the mouse. Everyone have to complete this sentence dictation exercise. Then the next point is the vocabulary, words related to nature. So here it is the exercise 2.1. Tick the correct names for each of the picture. First, frog, moth, bug. So which picture is this? This is the bug's picture. So we have to tick the bug. Then the second, worm, snail, bee. So which insect is this? This is the snail. So we have to tick the snail. Third, spider, grasshopper, wasp. So this is the spider. So we have to tick the spider. Then the fourth, butterfly, dragonfly, bee. So this is the butterfly. So we have to tick the butterfly. Then the fifth, spider, grasshopper, wasp. So what is this? This is the grasshopper. So we have to tick on the grasshopper. Then 6, worm, snail, bee. So this is the bee. So we have to tick on the bee. Then the next question, exercise 2.2. Write the names of the pictures. Check the spellings once you are done. Correct them if they are wrong. Students, you can see here the first picture is the sun. So we have to write there spelling of sun. S-U-N, sun. Then in the second picture rainbow is there, so we have to write there spelling of rainbow, R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Then in the next picture we can see the star is there, so we have to write there spelling of star, S-T-A-R, star. Then in the fourth picture we can see rain is there, so we have to write there spelling of rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Then in the fifth picture we can see moon is there, so we have to write the spelling of moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Then in the sixth picture we can see the clouds are there, so we have to write their spelling of clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. So everyone have to complete this exercise as it is, okay? Then our next part is the grammar part. In this part we will learn about the punctuation marks. So students, you can see here the first punctuation mark is the full stop, then question mark, and then comma. So what is the meaning of punctuation marks? Punctuation marks are marks that help us to understand a sentence better. So students, you can see here are the 3 punctuation marks. First is the full stop, then second is the question mark, and the third is the comma. So students, we will learn some sentences by using these all punctuation marks, okay? So first I will tell you about the full stop. Full stop is used to end a statement. Example, dogs are cute. I like them. So students, you can see here are the 2 full stop which we can use to end a statement. Then I will tell you about the question mark. Question mark is used to end a question. Example, where is Sarah? Students, in this sentence you can see a question mark is there in the circle. which we can use to end a question. After that, I will tell you about the comma. Comma is used to separate three or more words in a list. Examples: I like cooking, cats and kids. And then second example, I like milk, bananas, cherries and plums. Students, you can see commas in these sentences which we can use to separate three or more words in a list. After this, we will learn about the some words that start with the capital letters. So here it is, a few words always start with capital letters. Remember the acronyms MINTS for the usage of capital letters. So here it is, the M means months, name of days, always start with the capital letter. Then the I means the word I is always start with the capital letter. Then N means special names given to people, states, cities and countries, means proper nouns. These are always start with the capital letters. And T means title of the books and movies. It also started with the capital letter only, okay? Then S means start of sentences. In this, when we will write the sentence, we have to start it with the capital letter only, okay? Students, we can see some examples are here. So the first example is my birthday is in August and we have a holiday on Sunday. In this example, there is a month and name of the day. So this is started with the capital letter only. Then in the second example, I like to paint. I study in class 2. So in this sentences, I is in capital letter. Then in the third example, my cousin Anu lives in Pune in Maharashtra. And the second is Sony went to Jaipur in the summer. In these examples, Anu and Sony is the name of people. So it start with the capital letter, and Pune, Maharashtra, Jaipur, the name of these states and cities. So it started with the capital letter here. Then in the next examples, I am going to see the Jungle Book today. And Noddy is my favorite book. In these examples, the Jungle Book is the title of movie and Noddy is the title of book. So it started with the capital letter here. Then in the next example, there are many trees in the garden. There is a rose bush as well. So here it is, the sentence started with the capital letter. Students, you can see in the first sentence their word is started with the capital letter, and in the second sentence also their word is the started with the capital letter. Now we have to solve exercise 3.1. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters wherever needed. So in the first sentence, my birthday is in July. Answer is the my birthday is in July. This is the already given in our grammar composition book. Then the next sentence is Ajay, Vivan and Shiraz are my friends. So the answer is Ajay, Vivan and Shiraz are my friends. Then the third, my brother Puneet lives in Kanpur. So the answer is my brother Puneet lives in Kanpur. Sentence started with the capital letter and Puneet is the special person name, so it started with the capital letter, and the Kanpur is the city, so it started with the capital letter here. Then in the next sentence, I read a book named Cinderella. So answer is I read a book named Cinderella. Then the next sentence is the name of my school is Bright Mind School. So the correct sentence is the name of my school is Bright Mind School. Then the next sentence is the concert is on Friday. So here the correct sentence is the concert is on Friday. Then exercise 3.2, rewrite the sentences by correcting the usage of punctuation marks and capital letters. So first sentence is already given here. Second sentence, who has my bag? This is the question, so we have to write who has my bag and question mark there. Then the third sentence is he has a toy car, elephant, a puzzle and a soft toy. So our answer is he has a toy car, comma, elephant, comma, a puzzle and a soft toy. So we have to write like that, okay? We have to using the commas and full stop here. Then the fourth sentence, the name of my pet is Ruby. So we have to write here the name of my pet is Ruby. Like that, okay? Then the next sentence is how are you feeling now? So we have to write here how are you feeling now and question mark because this is the question. Then the sixth sentence, my mother gave me a few apples, oranges, bananas and grapes. So now we have to write here like that. My mother gave me a few apples, comma, oranges, comma, bananas and grapes. Full stop. So this exercise you have to complete like this, okay? Then the exercise 3.3, fill in the blanks with the correct punctuation mark. Kichu is my best friend in school. Both of us love pies. Do you know what they taste like? So here it is the question. So we have to write here the question mark. They are sweet and tasty. So here it is the we have to give the full stop because this sentence is completed here. Our favorite pies are blueberry. So we have to give here the comma. Then again apple. Then again we have to write there the comma and cherry and lemon pies. So here it is we have to give the full stop. Then the next exercise is the make sentences. Make 5 sentences by joining the words given in column A and column B. So here it is the two column are given. In column A, my family, our mother tells, our father works, I and we. And in column B, in a bank, have a younger sister, are going to school, a stories is small. So we have to make the correct sentences by joining the words. Okay. Students, you can see the first sentence is already given here. My family is small. Then the second sentence is our mother tells a story. Then third sentence is our father is works in a bank. Then the fourth sentence, I have a younger sister. And the fifth sentence is we are going to school. So we have to make the sentences like that. So you have to complete this as it is, okay?